PayPal stuck on a loading screen. So to fix the PayPal app or website stuck on a loading screen, you can start by force closing the app. You see, when you open your PayPal app and then it's stuck on a loading screen, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. Then swipe away the PayPal app from your multitasking screen and then reopen it and check that if the loading screen is still stuck. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache on your Android device and upload the app on your iOS. Now on your iOS device, go to your settings, then go to general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now find the PayPal app from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search bar at the bottom and then type PayPal. Now tap upload app. Once you tap upload app, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Tap on the reinstall app button to reinstall the PayPal app to your device, or else you can just simply go back to your Apple App Store, find the PayPal app and then re-download it to your device. Now the next what you can do is check for the app updates. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the PayPal app, and if you see an update button available here, tap on update to get the latest version and then go back to your PayPal app and check if the loading screen is still stuck. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.